Hi everyone, grab your pickaxe, put on your best enchanted armor and get comfy. Because today we're not only playing Minecraft, but also exploring something truly fascinating about the real world. Have you ever stood outside on a chilly autumn day, watched a giant V-shaped flock of birds glide across the sky, and wondered, why do birds fly south for winter? Where are they going, and how do they even know the way? That's exactly what we're going to find out together. We'll uncover the secrets of bird migration, learn how these tiny creatures travel thousands of miles with no GPS, and discover why their incredible journey matters to the planet and even to us. Ready? Let's start this adventure. Imagine playing Minecraft in survival mode on hard difficulty. The days get shorter, mobs appear more often, and your food supply runs out faster. That's what winter feels like for many birds in the northern parts of the world. Insects disappear, berries shrivel up, and the ground can be frozen solid for months. Birds are warm-blooded, which means they must keep their bodies at a constant temperature around 40 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than a human fever. To stay that warm, they need to eat constantly. Without enough food, a tiny songbird could lose dangerous amounts of weight in just a single night. For many species, the only way to survive is to migrate to pack up, leave the cold behind, and travel to a place where food is still plentiful and temperatures are gentler. When we say fly south, we don't just mean a quick hop to the next town. Some birds embark on mind-blowing expeditions that would impress even the bravest Minecraft explorers. Arctic tern, this small, graceful bird, holds the world record for migration. Each year it travels from the Arctic all the way to Antarctica and back again. That's up to 70,000 kilometers, like circling the Earth almost twice. Bar-tailed godwit. These shorebirds can fly more than 11,000 kilometers without stopping for food or rest. Imagine flying from New York to Sydney in one go, flapping your wings the whole time. Ruby-throated hummingbird. Despite being barely larger than a Minecraft chicken egg, it can cross the entire Gulf of Mexico over 800 kilometers without landing. Even smaller migrations are impressive. Many songbirds travel at night to avoid predators and to use the stars for navigation, covering hundreds of kilometers in just a few days. Here's where it gets even cooler. Birds don't carry maps, smartphones, or elytra with waypoints. They rely on natural navigation systems that scientists are still trying to fully understand. The sun and stars. During the day, birds use the position of the sun, adjusting for time of day. At night, constellations like the Big Dipper help guide them. Earth's magnetic field. Birds have special cells containing magnetite, a mineral that lets them sense magnetic lines like a living compass. Landmarks and smell. They recognize coastlines, mountains, and even unique scents carried by the wind. Experiments show that even young birds on their first migration can find their way without parents leading them. It's as if the route is programmed into their DNA, a real-life respawn point marked on their internal map. You've probably seen geese or cranes flying in a giant V. This isn't just for show. Flying in formation saves energy. The bird in front breaks the air resistance, creating an upward draft that lifts the birds behind. They take turns leading, so everyone shares the hard work. It's like when your Minecraft friends help you dig a massive tunnel. Teamwork makes the task easier and keeps everyone moving forward. Migration is a heroic journey, but it's far from safe. Storms and harsh weather, sudden winds or heavy rain can blow birds off course. Predators, hawks and falcons, know that migrating birds may be tired and easier to catch. Human obstacles. Tall buildings with bright lights can confuse night-flying birds, and glass windows cause fatal collisions. Habitat loss. Wetlands and forests where birds stop to rest are disappearing, making the trip even riskier. Despite these challenges, birds return year after year, a testament to their resilience and instinct. Bird migration isn't just a pretty spectacle, it keeps ecosystems balanced. Pest control. Many migrating birds eat insects that could damage crops or spread disease. Pollination and seed dispersal. Some birds help plants reproduce by spreading pollen and seeds. Climate clues. Changes in migration patterns tell scientists a lot about global warming. If birds arrive earlier or leave later, it can signal rising temperatures. In short, their journeys help keep our world both natural and human healthy. Think about how this compares to your own adventures in Minecraft. When resources run out in one biome, you travel to another. Maybe you leave a snowy tundra to gather food in a lush jungle or a warm plains biome. Birds do something very similar, but with far more risk and no pause button. You can even recreate their routes in the game, build giant maps, design bird highways, or create redstone compasses that mimic Earth's magnetic field. It's a fun way to visualize their epic flights. Even players outside the digital world can help migrating birds, plant native trees and flowers. They provide food and resting spots. Turn off bright lights at night, especially during migration seasons in spring and autumn. This prevents birds from becoming disoriented. Keep cats indoors. Domestic cats are a major threat to small songbirds. Support conservation projects. Nature reserves and protected wetlands are critical for safe stopovers. Every small action helps ensure that these incredible journeys continue for generations. The fastest migrating bird, the great snipe, can reach speeds of 100 km/h. Some birds gain up to half their body weight in fat before migration. It's their fuel tank. The longest non-stop flight ever recorded was over 8 days. Imagine flying the entire time you're playing a week-long Minecraft marathon. So, the next time you look up and see a V-shaped flock gliding across the sky, remember, those birds are not just wandering aimlessly. They're brave travelers on an epic quest for survival facing storms, crossing oceans, and relying on instincts older than human history. Thanks for exploring this amazing natural mystery with me today. If you enjoyed learning why birds fly south for winter, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join me for more fun science facts and Minecraft adventures. Together we can keep discovering the wonders of our world. One block, one biome, and one incredible fact at a time. See you in the next adventure.